one and all. Welcome to 6th standard maths class. Regarding in the previous class, we already discussed about the first concept in the chapter 1, that is knowing numbers. Today in this class, we are going to discuss about the first concept, how many numbers can you make? Clear? How many numbers can you make? Clear? Now, regarding how many numbers can you make? One first example. Total for first example, I have taken 4 digits. Total 4 digits. That is 7, 8, 3, 5. Total 4 digits. Using these 4 digits, clear? Using these 4 digits, how many numbers can you make? In 4 digit na use madbiಟ್ಟು we have to make how many numbers? Now see, how many numbers we can make? Now listen here. First digit 7, 8, 3, 5. Now it is a one number. That means 7,835. One digit. Clear? Next. 7,800. Just interchange these two numbers. 53. Clear? 7,853. It is second digit. Next. 7,000. 8 now ಬೇರೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ 3,000 clear 805 7,385 it is another number. Next 8 ಈಗ 7 ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ that become you place 8 ಹಾಕೋಣ 8,735 like that we can make many numbers. Understood? We can make many numbers. Instead of digital, we can make many numbers. Now listen here. Now this is 7,000. Clear? One by one. How many it will comes? Neatly check it out. How many it will comes the number. That's why step by step I will show how many number it will comes. See here. The first one it is 7,835. Clear? Next 7,853. These two. Next 7,000. 5 लिया था. Okay? 7,538. Clear? 5 equal to. ಈಗ 3 ಹಾಕೋಣ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. 7,358 different number. Next ಇದರ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. 7,385. ಈಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಂಬರ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? 7,385. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, next 7 finish now. In place of 7 we can take 8. 8,735. Same letter barena. 8,753. Next 8,000. 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ barena. See here. 5 7 3. Next 8,000 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡೋಣ 3,057. Next 8,000 ಇನ್ನೇನು ಉಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ 5 537. See here. These are some of the different numbers. We are using the 4 digits, that is 7, 8, 3, 5. Like that, by using the digit 3, again 4 number. Again by using the digit 5. Again 4 number. Total we can make 16 numbers by using the digit 7, 8, 3 and 5. 7, 8, 3, 5. Regarding this, we are going to discuss about comparing with 16 numbers. Total 16. Understood? Total 16 numbers can be made by using the digit 7, 8, 3, 5. Total 16. Regarding 16, we have to find out which is the smallest number and greatest number. Smallest and greatest. Clear? This one don't want in your CW. Smallest and greatest number. Now we come to problems. The first one. Come to problem. First one. Listen here. Problems. Problems. That is first one. Problems. That is first one in your textbook. See here. Use the given digit without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Regarding this one, the total given here 2, 8, 7, 4. B 9, 7, 4, 1. C 4, 7, 5, 0. Next 1, 7, 6, 2. Last one 5, 4, 0, 3. Total 5 problems. Clear? Now neatly observe here. Use the given digit without repetition. Without repetition means don't use number 2 times. You have to use the one digit only one time without repetition and make the greatest and the smallest. Regarding these 4 digits, we have to find out the greatest and the smallest digit. We have to find out the greatest and smallest digit. Total it given 5 problems. Clear? I will show 2 problems. I will show only 2 one. A, another one is C. 0 is different one. I will show first problem A and third one C. Remaining B, D and E, it is HWO. Understood? Remaining 3 problem HWO. In HWO, write the heading, problem, first main and like that you have to write. Clear? In your CWO, heading, problem, first main, ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀರಿ ಎ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ CW. ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬುಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಲ್ವೋ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ CHW. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, what are the digits in first one? 2, 8, 7, 4. Total 4 digits. Correct? Total 4 digit Here the condition given without repetition. That means don't use one digit two times. That means 2 na 2 times repeat ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 8 na 2 times repeat ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You have to use one digit one time. What we have to find? Greatest and the smallest. First greatest is gonna. Greatest. Now greatest 4 digit number is equal to next smallest 4 digit number. Greatest and smallest 4 digit number. For regarding to find out the greatest and smallest 4 digit number, I will tell one simple technique. Very simple technique. Using that technique, we can easily find out the greatest and smallest 4 digit number. Here, regarding the first one, they given total 4 digit 2, 8, 7, 4. Correct? Total 2, 8, 7, 4. We have to arrange the numbers. We have to arrange the number according to ascending order and descending order. Ascending order nothing but small number to big number. Descending order nothing but big number to small number. ಈ ರೀತಿ arrange ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, automatically we can get the greatest and smallest number. For ascending order, it is small number. For descending order, it is big number. Clear? First we have to find out the greatest number, descending order. Descending order means big number to small number. Regarding these 4, which digit is big? Here 8 is big. First 8. After what? 8 afterwards 7. After that 4. After that 2. That means the greatest 4 digit number will be 8742 is the answer. We are just arranging the digit according to descending order. Descending order means big number to small number. Here big digit is 8 and small digit is 2. 8, 7, 4, 2. Therefore, the first one, greatest 4 digit number is 8742. Clear? Next, smallest ಬಂದ್ರೆ small number to big number. ಇದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 2478. But small number to big number 2478 will be the smallest 4 digit number. This is one simple technique. Understood? Arrange the number descending order, it will be the greatest number. Ascending order, it will be the smallest number. This is the first problem answer. Clear? Same as it is B. Same. Arrange ascending and descending. Okay na? 0 ನಂತರ I will show D as it is same. ಈ problem ನ ನಾನು C problem ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ as it is you have to do E. Clear? If 0 comes you have to think differently. The second C, that is 4 7 5 0. 4 7 5 0. Clear? Here the greatest number, same as it is, you have to write the sentence here also. Same sentence, that is greatest 4 digit number is equal to, next afterwards smallest 4 digit number is equal to, like that write the sentence and write the answer. Clear? For greatest number you are arrange the number according to descending order, big number to small number. For greatest number, big number is 7, big digit is 7, afterwards 5, afterwards 4, then afterwards 0. The first one simple, that is 4540. 7540. It is the greatest number because big number to big digit to small digit. Answer the greatest number. Okay. 0 ಬಂದಾಗ smallest digit ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you have to very careful. ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. See 0 4 5 7. Correct? 0 4 5 7. If 0 comes in the first ಗೆ ನೀವು 0 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಓದ್ತೀರಾ 457 ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ. Clear? 457. 0 starting ಬಂದ್ರೆ it is uncountable. ನಾವು 0 count ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 0 count ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not 4 digit number, just it is a 3 digit number. Understood? Just it is a 3 digit number. What we have to make? We have to make 4 digit number. That's why when 0 comes means you have to interchange these 2 digits. Just interchange 0 afterwards first write 4. This technique you have to follow while writing the smallest number using the 4 digit when 0 comes. Same like that here also you have to do. Clear? Now this is the first and second problem I will solve in the board. Remaining 3 problem it is HW. Next second main. Next second main. Next second main, same as it is like your first main, make the greatest and the smallest 4 digit number. As it is like your first main, we have to make the greatest and the smallest 4 digit number here by using any one digit twice. Given you have to use one digit twice. That means regarding this problem they given only 3 digit. Only 3 digit. One digit you have to use one more time. That means it becomes total 4 digit number. Clear? Again regarding this one also it gives 4 problem. I will show 2 problem. That is first and second one I will show C and D problem. It is HW. Same as it is. You have to complete neatly maintain the CW and also HW. This one don't want. Okay na? Book illa ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. First one A. 3 8 7. Correct? Now we have to make the greatest 4 digit number. Greatest 4 digit number. And second one is smallest 4 digit number. Greatest, another one is smallest 4 digit number. Clear? Regarding the first main, the total they given 4 digit. Clear? 4 digit ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು 4 digit number easy ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು. But regarding the second main they given only 3 digit and condition they given that regarding the 3 digit 1 digit you can use 2 times. 1 digit you have to use 2 times. Regarding the second main you have to think the which digit we have to use 2 times. We have to use 3 as 2 times or 8 as 2 times or 7 as 2 times. That is very important. Clear? Now listen here. Same as it is like a first main, we have to find the greatest 4 digit number. Greatest number means descending order. First regarding the 3 digit, highest is what? 8. Then afterwards 7. Then afterwards 3. Arrange ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು. Correct? Now we have to find the greatest number. 1 digit we have to use 2 times. Which one we have to use? Regarding the 3 digit, which is big digit, that digit we have to use 2 times for greatest. Clear? Here which is greatest digit? 8 is the greatest. That means 8 we have to use 2 times. That is 8,873 is the answer. 8,873. Understood? We are going to find the greatest digit. Which digit we have to use 2 times? Great digit. Big digit. Here the big digit is 8. We have to use 8 as 2 times. For smallest 4 digit number, smallest digit we have to use 2 times. See here, reverse for that 3, 7, 8. 3, 7 and 8. Regarding these 3 digits, 3 is the small. That means we have to take 3 will be the 2 times. 3 will be the 2 times. That is the first one answer. The answer first one for 8,873. Clear? For here 3,378 will be the greatest. Another one is smallest number. And second one B. Same as it is A, you have to complete the D. Same as it is B, you have to complete the C. Here 9, 0, 5. Again same sentence, right? What? Greatest 4 digit number is equal to right answer. Smallest 4 digit number is equal to right answer. For greatest number, no confusion. It is 9 is big. Afterwards 5. Afterwards 0. For greatest number, 1 digit is repeating. Big number is 9. Big digit is 9. Therefore, answer is 9,950. 9,950 will be the answer. Correct? For smallest number, when 0 comes, very carefully you have to write the answer. These 3 numbers, 0 we have to use middle. That means 5, 0 and 9. Correct? 5, 0 and 9. 1 digit we have to use 2 times. The small number, small digit will be 0. That means 0 you have to use 2 times. Answer is 5,009. 5,009. Same this one as it is. Complete the C. Correct? Regarding in this class, we are discussing about first and second main. That is how many numbers can you make. Next class, we are going to continue about ascending and descending order, and also one more basic concept is there. Afterwards, we are moving on exercise 1.1. Thank you one and all.